DORs, hey, what's going on? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. In the event that your toilet paper holder continues to become loose, we are going to show you a DIY fix. Let's get started. Making our way to the bathroom, and again, DORs, in the event that your toilet paper roll is loose and about to fall off the wall, not that one in our case, we've got an additional one right here. Little baby arms and hands can't reach this one at the moment, but over time they will. However, we have this for that purpose. We're going to remove this, set that aside. Look at it, it's not even level. And it's pretty secured to this portion, but we need to tighten up this shaft where it meets right here and has that long Phillips screw that's inside here that extends and secures or tightens this outer bar. We will go down below and loosen up the small Allen screw, and there is, in our case, the size that we are going to use, and it will be trial and error until you find the right size. Camera in position, and I want to direct our attention to the very bottom, and hopefully yours is installed properly, and what I mean by that is the Allen screw should be on the bottom. In addition, I have loosened up that Allen screw slightly, again with this Allen key here, and I'm basically going to pull this up and off and show you the Allen screw on the bottom. There it is. And check that out, Phillips screw inside there. And again, loose, dangling, and if we're not careful, this part can begin to loosen to a point where little baby hands and arms can continue unscrewing this and the whole thing will fall apart. Not what you want. We've made our way to the table, and again, a close-up view of that Allen screw that secures, and basically as you tighten that in or screw it in, it extends on the inner side and locks this entire plate in place. However, again, that is loose, and that is solely because of this Phillips screw. What I want to do is direct your attention to this little shape right here, or machine cutout. Don't allow it to be tightened offset. Get a good grip of it, align it properly, and basically pinch it as you grab the screwdriver and tighten this. Do not over tighten it. There's absolutely no reason to over tighten it, but you want it snug. Look at that. That's tight. Time to reinstall it. However, taking a step up, we just installed a reverse osmosis system. Very friendly DIY install, GE. We will have a link down below in the comments and description, as well as a cool link on hanging a gift that we got from my younger brother Miles. We've made our way back to the bathroom, and in the event that these screws on the mounting plate are loose, go ahead and tighten those, but again, do not over tighten them. And if all looks good, we're going to come in from above and basically go right over the mounting plate and go back down below and secure this entire bar with the Allen screw. Taking a step back, and DORs, check that out. That is solid. How awesome is that? All right, DORs, hey, quick break in the action, and in the event that maybe a week from now, maybe a month from now, or even sooner than that, maybe a day from now, it comes loose again, what I recommend doing is removing this entire housing, the exact same we just did, and fully unscrew that long screw. And this long outer rod that holds the toilet paper will separate from the inner shaft and base, and from there, apply some Loctite to the screw thread and screw everything back together. And as far as the exact Loctite I recommend, check out the link down below in the comments and description, because believe it or not, there are many types of Loctite used for many different things. And if you want the correct and proper Loctite, so you can apply it to the thread one time only for a permanent and forever fix, again, check out that link. Time to re-secure the toilet paper, and again, the little baby arms and hands can access this toilet paper ever so perfectly. Coming up and out, and DORs, in the event that you ever have this stopper or drain plug basically get stuck in the down position as shown here, and for the life of you, you cannot get it up, well, check out the link down below in the comments and description. We will show you how to fix that. Hopefully you don't even have to replace any parts. In addition, coming inside here, we have an interior clothesline right there, and that extends across, and what we do is after the pool, we basically bring the life vests and suits inside here, and anything that drips goes right inside the tub. DORs, we hope this helps. In addition, in the event that these are loose, check out the link down below in the comments and description. We are here to help. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.